Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Polymarket with MetaMask. First, download the MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile app. Create a new wallet or import an existing one and make sure to securely store your seed phrase. Next, add the required cryptocurrency to your wallet. This could be ETH, USDC or USDT depending on the market you want to trade. Also, make sure you have enough funds to cover transaction fees. Now, open the Polymarket website and click on Connect Wallet, then choose MetaMask. Approve the connection in the MetaMask pop-up to link your wallet with Polymarket. After connecting, browse the available prediction markets. Enter the amount you want to bet using USDC, USDT or ETH, and then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Once your bet is placed, you can monitor your open positions under My Bets or Portfolio. Check the outcomes once the market resolves to see if you have won. Finally, go to Wallet and withdraw to transfer your winnings back to MetaMask or another wallet. Approve the transaction in MetaMask and the fund will be successfully sent to your wallet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.